Hi, I'm Casey from Komatsu. I'm a service engineer for the small size excavators up to the PC220. The 220 has been redesigned from the ground up. We kept the same PC210 base, but we changed everything up on the top end. The engine moved from a 6-cylinder engine to a 4-cylinder engine. We got rid of the EGR, which allowed us to get rid of the variable geometry turbo and installed a fixed geometry turbo, which made a bigger turbo. That means more horsepower out of the smaller engine. For the customer, that means that this is a more fuel-efficient machine than the previous models. The smaller engine gives better fuel consumption to the customer. Arm and the boom have been redesigned to be more like the 240. We've also added Com Vision, which is person and object detection. It can stop the machine when a person gets close. We have a 30% larger cab that is much more ergonomic for operators. This cab also comes with 2D boundary control, which is kind of like IMC Lite, which is a good cost-saving measure for the customer. So you don't have the hydraulic lines coming into the cab anymore, which will be nice in the summer where you don't have extra hydraulic heat heating up the cab. So this machine has the electric over hydraulic controls. That gives the operator less fatigue when this operation. It also gives you the ability to change the speed of the machine from inside the cab as you're operating it. This machine also has keyless start. With the keyless start, you can also have different operator profiles, which let each operator control how their button layout is set up in this cab. PC220LC-12 is a great addition to the market because it brings operator versatility, high productivity, and a good cost point for the market.